Hey everyone, welcome back to another NVS video. Today I'm in Fairfax, Virginia, and we're in a townhouse. And the project actually started with one small annoyance, which surprisingly that happens often. People get frustrated with a way that their kitchen is set up, or a certain cabinet is just the worst to deal with, and so kind of just leads into a bigger remodeling project. So the annoyance in this house was that the powder room opened up right into the dining room, and it just felt very awkward for the homeowners. So the idea was to switch the opening, to completely flip the powder room around and let it open up into a beautiful mud room. So that tiny little thing ended up being a lot of work because there's a lot of things that go on behind the walls you might not think about. Plumbing, electrical, having to redo all the drywall and the trim, but it's going to be beautiful in the end. So I'm here today and we have just gotten started. It's all been gutted and the drywall's done. We're actually even building up a special riser for the homeowner's front-loading laundry machine so that it's a little bit higher up so she doesn't have to bend over as much. So this is the cool thing about remodeling. If you love your home and the location, but certain things are maybe just not perfect, you can, with remodeling, make it so that your home really works for you and works for the lifestyle you lead and your family members. So thanks to the magic of editing, a few weeks have passed and I'm now standing in the completed laundry room and everything has turned out so pretty. I'm so excited to walk you around and highlight a few of the selections. So I mentioned the risers and those have turned out fantastic. So it just lifts up the washer and dryer a little bit, making them more accessible. So the homeowner chose both a dark cabinet and a dark floor, and we wanted to bring some light back into the space, and we did that with both the paint and the countertop. This is a Cambria stone and it's called Iron Bridge, and I love how bright and the really great contrast with the dark cabinets. We did capture some space from the existing pantry that honestly was a little bit awkward and had some thick shelves that wasn't, exactly what the homeowner wanted. So we were able to capture that space to make the laundry room flow better, and in order to get back that storage, we went with a pull-out cabinet pantry, and it is beautiful. It works so nicely, and she's still able to have a place for all of her dry goods. So if you'll remember, this whole project started out with the powder room and it just grew a little bit, which is completely fine, and it all worked out wonderfully in the end. But the powder room, this is something that we've noticed over the past couple of years. Powder rooms are the place where people are really showing off their personality. This one is so pretty. It has a little bit of whimsy with the extra little bubble touches on the mirror and the really glamorous vessel bowl sink. So now the homeowner has the powder room with the privacy that they were looking for, and then it kind of grew into this really functional laundry room. And I love that it can be so functional, have so much storage, but still be very beautiful and just a wonderful addition to their home.